discuss about the SAP booking. Um, about this contract, we booking the SAP. So click on the SAP booking info. This is the invoice text. This is not the mandatory field. If we write some caption about this SAP, this then we write this in this field. Suppose we write this is a demo version, so right, this is a demo. And the document date. Document date means the start date, document starting date, from where, from this date, when for what date the document will be started. So we put the today's date. And sales org, sales organization, this is added from the previous page of the edit contract creation. And another field is SAP email id. This is the mandatory field. We put the SAP id, SAP email id, put. And link to SAP. If we know an SAP order number, then we click on link to SAP is yes, and SAP order number text box we put the SAP order number. And if no idea about the SAP order number, then click on the no option and create the SAP order number. This is the contract TCB. It is in INR. The 60,000. It is editable, but it is defined by default, assigned from the contract page. And this is the product field. And in this option, the product maintenance and the protected service, in these three field is called the product field. And the interest other field, other maintenance and other field is called non-product field. And in TCB we put the product, we put the 40,000. And for the maintenance purpose we assign 10,000. And in other purpose we assign 10,000. And if we click on the update button, then the total 60,000 mean basically our work is the total currency value divided in this field. And is put 50,000, and this is the 10,000, and clear this. Click on the update, the total is the 60,000. And the original is the 60,000, and current balance is the 40,000, because we in the previous page we defined the predefined value is the 20,000, and the current balance and the original balance is 60,000, so that the current balance is deducted from the original balance and it becomes 40,000. And the factor, it is a mathematical calculation. The calculation is the original balance divided by the sum of the product field, means the sum of the product maintenance and the protected service, minus the sum of the non-product field, means the sum of the interest other field, other maintenance and the other. And after calculation this will be 0, so the factor is 0. And equivalent total TCB is 901, means the original the TCB 60,000, it is in INR. And if we convert the 60,000 to USD, then this is in $901. And the exchange rate is 66.62, means 1 USD equals to 66.62 INR. And if we calculating in the 1 USD equals to 66.62, then we get the $901 equals to 60,000 in INR. And in next we click on the next button and go to the next page. Here PO details is there. By default it is to single PO, but if we can add the multiple PO, we can click on the multiple option. Here we choose the single PO. And this is the PO name, purchase order number or name, which is previously defined. And the amount that from this amount is get from the TCB value. And this is the address installed that ship to build to. And if we can change it, then we click on the search button, and we can change. And if we change the install at address is here to another address, then also we can click on the search button. And the ship to build to is same as the install data. mm, the shipping and ship to and build to address process also the same as with the install that address. And here the product in INR is 50,000, maintenance for 10,000, and rest of the field is 0, and total update is 60,000. And click on the next button. Here the product is there. The product, for the product purpose we use 50,000, and for the maintenance purpose we use 10,000. So that for in the product we use 50,000, and for the maintenance we use 10,000. And here to start the cycle date, start from today's to ended between the card expiry date. So we can choose 31st January. Okay. And here is the another option, override clause. If we select, various override option is there. Suppose if one card is created and the card expiry, the card will be expired, and in the card have some value or have some balance, then uh, we if the customer get the balance, then customer must to do the close the card. Suppose the product is 91991, and if we close the 9, it is serially stored in serially, not in serially, sorry. Suppose we close 9198 91998, then this card will be closed. And if in the card have some balance, then the and after that the customer pay some, have some, get some opportunity from this, from the credence. And if the customer, if the card will not close, then customer do not get any benefit. He already the card have some balance, so the close is for mandatory to get a benefit. Click on the next button. The billing amount, total amount is the billing amount, it is 60,000. And put the billing date, we can put billing date is 19th January. And click on the update option. And this is the two type, header level and the line level. If we choose the single level PO, then we choose header level, and if we choose multiple level PO, then choose the head line level. Click on send to SAP. The SAP will be sent. The customer is Google. The contract is, this is the contract number. Status is the pending, and the SAP status is sent. So the